Hello boys and girls, I am Miss Lambert and I'm going to be doing some science experiments with you over the next few weeks. And even though you may be in a different first grade class and your teacher may not be me, you may see some familiar faces on videos as well. But let's get started with our science lesson for today. So over the next few weeks while you're at home learning, we're going to talk all about sound. And what I mean by that is specifically how sounds are made. I want you to sit for just a few moments. What do you hear? Is your mom cleaning the house? Is your dog barking? Is your sister or your brother crying? Sounds are so important. What do we hear with? We hear with our ears. So what we're going to talk about today is the fantastic question of what causes sound. We're going to talk about a fancy word, and I'm going to refer to that fancy word a couple of times during our lesson today. So the first thing that we're going to do is an experiment. An experiment is something that a scientist does. Last week, you talked about a scientist and watched some videos at home, and you even got to draw a scientist, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is an experiment, okay? What I'm going to use today is I'm going to use a plastic cup, see, and a rubber band, okay? And I'm going to put my experiment together. Now, what I did is I put the rubber band over the top of the cup. As you can see, there it is. And all I'm going to do is see how this cup makes sound. Not sure if you can hear that, but that is called a vibration. Not only can I sometimes hear a vibration, I can feel it with my fingers. This should remind you of a guitar, which is a musical instrument, which makes sound. And so sound is caused by vibration. So right off the bat, we've answered that question. What causes sound? Sound is caused by this fancy word, vibration. Can you say that word with me? Vibration. Very good. So vibration is what causes sound. Now, not only can I use my paper cup, my plastic cup and my rubber band, I can also do another experiment to hear some vibration. What I have here is just a regular popsicle stick, okay? Sometimes people call these tongue depressors. This is something that they check your throat with when you go to the doctor, and you can also use them to make arts and crafts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the edge of the table right here, okay? To where part of the popsicle stick hangs off, and then I'm gonna thump it. Okay? It sounds funny, but it makes a vibration. So that's what we're talking about today, is all about how sound is made. And it's through that fancy word, vibration. Okay? So let me review with you. What I did is I used a plastic cup and a rubber band and a popsicle stick, and I made sound. And what causes sound, boys and girls? Vibration. That's right. So tomorrow what you're going to do is you're going to put all of this that we talked about into your blank piece of paper inside of your journal that you have at your house. And you'll see a few examples on the assignment for tomorrow to kind of help you make this journal page. And this is just what we would do if we were at school, okay? I look forward to seeing you next time.